Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery, actually batteries, and this is for Ford Explorer. This has an internal valet key, so it's not the flip key version of this. So if you have a flip version like this, go ahead and check out the other videos I've got on changing the Ford Explorer here, but this one has an internal valet key, and this was from years 2016 and 2017 for the Ford Explorer. Okay, so the key on this battery is on the back side here, so not the buttons, on the back side here. There's a little, kind of like a little lever depression thing that you can push down. So what I've found handy is to take like a small screwdriver, push this down, and this allows you to separate these two parts. So the key fob has kind of two sides to it, and as you can see, a line down the middle. So if you're able to push that, to press that down, and this one can be a little tricky. Sometimes I use my finger and then get something in between, get some leverage. There you go. And then you're able to pop this apart, now that once you've pressed this, and get access to the internal part of the key fob here. So here's your internal valet key. But what we actually need to get access to is below this. And so there's this spot here. You can get some leverage underneath. So we need to break apart this inner section of the key fob away from the rest of the fob here. Ooh! So if you can get some leverage here, there's these, we got to get it separated from these 2 points here. I'd use like a flathead screwdriver. Works well. I've got another key fob here that can also do, and you just kind of leverage it, so we're starting to get some separation here, and just kind of slowly work your way around. This one can be a bit of a beast, but okay. Alright, so now we've got the separation there, and this middle internal piece comes apart, and then you can see actually where we have the two batteries that we'll need to replace. So the battery types here, let me pop these out here. There's actually two of them, and there's a little piece of I don't know, it's kind of plastic almost, that shows you exactly what battery types it takes, and also the direction that they need to go in. So if you take a look at this, it says CR2025, so that's the battery type. It's actually two of them. They're real thin, so you can see it shows you, change both batteries. And it has the plus side up, facing up on this first one. So you put that one in there. And then between the two, you keep this little plastic point there. And then this next one, you have the negative side up. Negative side doesn't have any lettering on it, like so. So put your new batteries in there like that. Then go ahead and reattach this middle part to the base of the fob here. Make sure you get these two points there. And I've broken a little piece here, so that's not good. So make sure you don't do that. Put those batteries back in, and then you're going to want to connect these 2 points here. Oh, damn, I think I actually broke this thing. So when I took this out, oh yeah, I broke the connectors here. Well, this is quite the conundrum here. I have to look at some of my past videos and figure out what I did here. I think I can fix this, but oh, I see what happened. Okay. So this, I think, yeah, it was like that. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so make sure and watch out for that little piece there. Get our batteries back in. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Negative side here. Alright, so make sure that piece is in there. You have your connection points. Then you can reattach this here. Make sure those 2 points attach there in the base. Click that back together. And then you can reattach the top part there. And boom. That's how you change the two CR2025 batteries. And I'll put a link to those here as well. So watch out for those little tricks and hiccups that I hit there.